What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a couple things going on today with the Miata. Just one, but there's kind of two parts to it. So we're gonna get into it really quick with some shifter bushing stuff. I picked up this. This is a brass shifter bushing from 5X Racing. They do make one specific to the 6-speed as well. I think the main brand though that you'll know of is, I think it's Rev 9 makes the 6-speed, but 5X Racing makes a 5-speed bushing. So I got this. So depending on what kind of shifter you have or transmission you have in your car will depend upon which one of these you decide to pick up. So today, we're installing a brass shifter bushing. All right, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna remove your center console, which we've done like 4 or 5 times on this channel now. All right, and next thing we need to do is we need to kind of get these wires out of the way because we're gonna undo these 4 bolts. I'm sorry, there's 3 bolts. No, there's 4. 2 here, 2 here, and we're gonna take this rubber boot off to get to the shifter. All right, now that those wires are out of the way, you're gonna wanna take a 10 mil and remove the 4 bolts at each end of the shifter cover. Now that each of your bolts are off, you should be able to just kind of pry this guy up. It should be pretty simple. It's just kind of stuck a little bit. There might be that, I'm not sure if this ring is supposed to be on there or not. It seems like I have to get that off. So this ring is just like kind of pressure fit on there, and I ended up just kind of prying it and breaking it. So I think I'm just gonna have to do like a zip tie or something around it once I reinstall, which I'm sure won't be a huge deal. So I'm just gonna toss that, and this just kind of floats on up. It's just kind of a rubber piece, so it kind of sticks to each of the little sides. Okay, should be able to pry it on up. Just like that. Set that on the side, and now you're left with your shifter with 3 bolts on it. I'm gonna presume that these are 10 millimeter as well. Yeah, so 10 millimeter. So we're just gonna go ahead and take these out. Sorry for the same camera angle for like all these shots, but there's not a great place to put it. So that angle should probably be a little bit better to see from. So we're just still taking off these 3 bolts. So far we've got 2 off. All right, and then you're probably gonna need a towel for this part. What you want to do is just lift this straight out, and there's your shifter. So yeah, you'll definitely want a towel for it, and you can already see this little plastic kind of bushing on the bottom. That's what we're going to replace. So have a towel ready for this. You'll want to clean it up for sure. Alright, so next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this one. I apologize in advance for the mess. It's just kind of gross around here right now. And while we're at it, we're going to want to pop this guy off. And as you can tell, there's a big difference in size, and the material is obviously different. The brass one right here is really nice quality, and this is just kind of a soft plastic that'll eventually wear over time and just kind of leave your shifter feeling a little sloppy. Just for safe measure, we're going to want to take a little bit of grease, just kind of grease up the ball of your shifter. Just anything that kind of touches, you want to grease that up pretty well, just to save yourself from some headache in the future. While we're at it, we'll go ahead and grease up this part, top part too. We're going to take our brass bushing, fit it right over the top. It kind of sticks in, but just make sure you've got grease in there. So I'm going to put a little bit more, just be safe, because this is metal on metal, so you just want to be sure that you're not going to have to do this again in the future. That should be good. It's in there nice and well, it's lubricated. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and reinstall this now. Just like that, everything's back installed, and we're good to go. Alright, so here's the shifter. I'm on my phone now, so I'm sorry for the audio or video difference, but it's pretty clear. You can tell, like, it just feels a little bit more precise. Like shifting in and out like that, it feels like, not clunky, because that's the wrong word, but it just feels good. You know, it feels like there's metal in there, not some plastic holding things together, which essentially is what it is. So I'm happy with it. I'll do kind of like a little review tomorrow on the way to work and give you an update. But yeah, so that's it. Let's take it to FaceTime and we'll wrap this video up. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate you tuning in. If you want your own brass bushing, check out 5X Racing. They have all the bushings you need for your Miata, 5-speed, 6-speed, or you can check out Rev 9. I haven't used that one. I've heard really good things though. A lot of other Miata owners use Rev 9 for their 6-speed solutions for their brass shifter bushings. Another thing that you want to do if you're going to put in the time to install this, which is really easy, it's worth noting that you might want to just do like a fluid flush of your transmission. I'll put a link on how to do that below from Rev Limiter. They have a really great like how-to, which is what I followed to do this install, which is what I'll put in the description below as well. I'll also put 5X Racing's link to their website where you can get your own bushing and install it on your Miata. Thanks for watching, guys. As of right now, we're at 399 subscribers, which is so awesome. I was just thinking about it last year at this time. We made it to 100 subscribers. We're really close to hitting 400. That's like mind-blowing to me. That's so awesome. I appreciate every single one of you that has subscribed to this channel and watched all my videos. It means so much to me to like see everyone watching and leaving comments and things like that, and seeing that my videos help. It's also cool kind of commenting on internet forums and, you know, running into people that have watched my videos. So if you're curious to watch more Miata videos, please hit that subscribe button below, leave your comments, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.